Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Windows 11 local admin account password. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure your computer is fully powered on and wait until Windows 11 completely loads up. It's important to let your system finish booting before you begin making any account changes to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, navigate to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on it. This will open up the Start menu where you can access various system tools and settings. In the search bar at the top of the Start menu, type in Control Panel and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Control Panel window, which is where you can access all the core administrative settings for your Windows system. The Control Panel is the central hub for managing user accounts, system preferences, and security settings. From the list of options that appears in the control panel, locate and click on User Accounts. This section allows you to manage all the account settings on your computer, including passwords, account types, and permissions. It's your main gateway to controlling who has access to your system and what level of access they have. Next, from the User Accounts menu, look for and click on Manage Another Account. This option lets you modify settings for other user accounts on your computer, including the administrator account. This is particularly useful when you need to update security credentials or manage multiple users on a single machine. Now, you'll see a list of all the accounts on your computer. Look for the administrator account and you'll notice a local account indicator displayed at the bottom of the account icon. This confirms you're selecting the correct local admin account rather than a Microsoft account. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking on the administrator account, you'll see several options appear. Look for and click on the Change Password option. This will bring up a password field where you can enter your new credentials. Changing your password regularly is a good security practice that helps protect your system from unauthorized access. In the fields provided, enter your desired new password in the first box. Then type it again in the confirmation box to make sure it matches. Take your time to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click on the Change Password button at the bottom to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Windows 11 local admin account password and improved your system's security. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.